Metadata Utility resource. From the main switchboard, click on Enter/View Information Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility Resource. This will open up the Media Resource window. We already have a detailed video on the setup of Media Resource. We're concentrating on this video on the purpose of Media Resource. This is designed to hold the path to where the movies are stored, which Windows Media Center uses for the Windows Media Center movie library. In those situations in which users have several paths, for example, as we see here, dual setup of two separate network attached storages, though both have the same exact share name, but movies are stored in both locations, then in that particular case, it would be required to enter both resources on this list. For those users that have a simplified setup where we have one single either share or Windows attached partition or USB hard drive, then it will be required to place that single path, including either the share or directory which under the movies for Windows Media Center are located or stored. For any questions with regard to this topic, how to set up the media resource, we have already an existing video that we welcome users to click on, as well as if any other questions with regard to any other functionalities built into Metadata Utility, we welcome our users to click on those videos as well as to visit our website where we have detailed instructions step-by-step, as well as dedicated FAQ sections, how-to sections, as well as troubleshooting sections, which we dive into detail onto the variety of functionalities built in that are available in Metadata Utility to enable users to manage their entire Windows Media Center movie library. Our website address is metadatautility.com. We thank you for watching.